Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that can enhance your driving experience, especially if you're a proud owner of a Ford F-150. We recently discovered the Ford F-150 Antenna Mast, a durable and car wash-proof replacement antenna that promises to elevate both functionality and style for your truck. You can find the link to this product in the description below, so feel free to check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this antenna mast actually is. Designed specifically for Ford F-150 models from 2009 to 2023, this premium antenna is a sleek, 6 3/4-inch replacement for your truck's long, traditional metal antenna. If you've ever had issues with your antenna scratching your garage frame or getting caught on low branches, this product is a game changer. It's a simple yet effective upgrade that not only enhances your vehicle's appearance but also improves your radio reception. One of the standout features of this antenna is its construction. Made from high-quality materials, it boasts wear and tear resistance, ensuring that it withstands the rigors of daily driving. Whether you're navigating rough weather conditions or simply going through a car wash, this antenna is designed to hold up. The rust-free aluminum body and highly conductive copper thread optimize signal transmission, meaning you won't have to worry about losing your favorite FM or AM stations during your drive. Installation is another area where this antenna shines. If you've ever struggled with complicated setups or required tools for an antenna replacement, you'll appreciate how easy this one is. The Ford F-150 Antenna Mast can be installed in just about a minute, no special tools required. Just screw it in, and you're ready to hit the road with a stylish new look. So, who is this antenna suitable for? If you own a Ford F-150 from any production year between 2009 and 2023, this antenna is tailored just for you. It's ideal for anyone looking to replace a damaged or outdated antenna, or for those who simply want to upgrade to something more modern and functional without the hassle of a complicated installation. When it comes to practical use cases, think about how often you might drive through car washes or face adverse weather conditions. This antenna is designed to resist both, making it an excellent choice for those who live in areas with unpredictable weather or for anyone who frequently maintains their vehicle's appearance. Plus, if you're someone who enjoys a clean, sophisticated look for your truck, this sleek black antenna will seamlessly integrate into your vehicle's aesthetic. Moreover, the manufacturer of this antenna emphasizes customer satisfaction. They take pride in delivering a high-quality product that meets the highest manufacturing standards. If for any reason you're not completely satisfied with your purchase, their team is committed to making things right. In summary, the Ford F-150 Antenna Mast is not just a practical accessory, it's a stylish upgrade that combines durability with ease of use. If you're looking to improve your truck's radio reception while also giving it a fresh, modern look, this antenna